What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video of changing my clutch on the RSX.
That was a terrible intro, bro. Give me the camera, keep recording. What's up, guys? Nah, see, that's too enthusiastic, see? Hey guys, what up? Back to another video. Removing his clutch today. He doesn't know what he's doing.
But I got him.
Yeah, cause my RSX, I don't know if you guys remember it. It's a little dark. Over. There. I took the engine out of it, and then I had to take out the clutch too, just cause. Why did I take out the clutch?
I don't know, his shit was messed up.
I think I just took it out just cause, and so I kind of know how to do it, and I'm gonna help him. But first, we're gonna pop these cause it's, what time is it?
It's 10:39. I don't know if that's backwards or forward or what it is, but it's 10:39 p.m. and we're just getting started on it now. So, bottom is up.
Oh. Alright, real quick, guys. We're gonna scare Josh.
Thinking I looked down.
I didn't even get your face.
Update. We can't find jack stands or the handle to these jacks. So we don't know what to do now. What do we do? So we were able to not do much, to be honest. Was it 1:30 now? Ish?
I think so.
We're trying to pop out the axle. That is no lighting. Here, let me go to the other side. He's jacking off the axle right now. So we're trying to pop the axle out of the tranny. That's not working. So we might just wait till tomorrow and grab the excuse me, big socket for there. While we're doing all of this, I kind of messed up my fingers. I got like 2 deep ass cuts, and my left hand is just stinging now. Next problem. We don't have a 15 mil wrench to take out the end links.
We should have done this at my house.
Another problem. The ABS sensor is giving us problems. 15. Why don't 15 look like your shit? Okay, 15's in there. Now you stick the Allen key. Other end, bro.
Yeah. You're talking to a mechanic right now. Yeah? Now what, huh? How am I supposed to take off that nut? This guy should. What the fuck am I supposed to do with this? Yo, this guy's so stupid. Oh my god.
We are just about to drop the subframe now. It's the next day.
Gosh, being a pussy and couldn't stay up with the boys last night.
Bro, we're like, that 5-hour energy is only like a 2.5-hour to 3-hour energy, bro. Like, yo, I was so tired of shit. I legit fell asleep for a bit right on the step in the door. Was I snoring?
You were like this, and all I hear is, and you're like.
Yeah, so I was tired, so probably from 2 to 3 or like 1 to 3 a.m. Tommy is pretty much doing everything. I was just looking at him.
I was doing everything.
He's actually doing everything. So I'm putting in bare work now, and we're gonna get this shit done. Big update. Subframe is now dropped. All we gotta do is just gotta jack up the engine and the tranny right now. Take out the engine mounts. Disconnect the tranny from the engine, and then should be good. See ya. that's the update. That took a while, cause this, oh, that's bright. This bolt right here, like these two are easy to take out. This one was in the way of my header, so we said forget it, and we took it out from the top over here. So yeah, probably gonna clean up the subframe a bit and then get the engine tranny down and then replace the clutch. So, new update.
Don't cry.
It's so hard to do. It turned from a clutch install to make this car a brand new car to parting it out. Yeah, so I just got rid of my radio, got rid of my shift knob, got rid of my cold air intake. Gonna sell the clutch that I just bought. Gonna take apart the seats, gonna get rid of everything now. Just part it out, try to get this car straight out my driveway, and call a tow truck to come pick it up and scrap it. Maybe get like $200 or $300 for the shell. Try to drop the engine, sell the engine. But like I legit, like earlier in the video, you saw me put my blood, sweat, tears, and Tommy's sweat. And just a lot, just more sweat. Nah, that's it.
Fuck you, bro.
But yeah, that's the no update. It's kind of hard to do. This is my baby that I left and forgot about for like 6 months. So I guess it makes sense. It's time to get rid of it. I'm gonna try to get rid of the wheels and then hopefully have an extra like 2,000 in my bank account to fund the 86. But I'll show you guys what it looks like after I take everything apart.